Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the chopper is airworthy and fueled. That gets you into the fight fast. Once done, assign pilot and gunner roles clearly so each person knows responsibilities. Make sure ammo distribution favors sustained gunfire while keeping rockets for hard targets. While taxiing, scan for immediate threats and set a short engagement plan. Communicate ranges and priority targets. This aggressive, practical start reduces hesitations and keeps you airborne ready to engage within. You should adopt a stable altitude and moderate speed to balance evasiveness with firing accuracy. Once in range, have the gunner suppress infantry and light vehicles with controlled bursts while reserving rockets for armored threats or compound breaches. This preserves ammo. Make sure to perform pop-up attacks. Approach low, then climb to present a moving target, and jink unpredictably to spoil enemy aim. Communicate corrections and consolidate on high-value targets quickly, so you minimize exposure and maximize. You finish by returning to a secure zone for landing, prioritizing cover, and a flat area for quick repairs. Once down, rotate roles so the pilot inspects engines and fuel lines while the gunner clears weapon jams and restocks ammo. Make sure to use a repair bench if you have one to restore health efficiently. If you encounter engine failure in flight, cut throttle and glide to open ground, then either repair or scuttle. This avoids catastrophic crashes and preserves crew safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.